disclaimer. Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I am going to be sharing a very kind of sporadic style video because there's a lot of different things in here, and it's not everything that I've gotten. But I just want to at least share a few things before it gets too long. So first is my combo club. So this is the last combo club. I can't remember, but I did buy the foilets that go with it, and so the combo club is a 6-month club. Or 3-month club, and so it's been different things, but the one for this year is you get a layering stencil and 3D embossing folder combo, and then there are things that work with it that you have the option of adding or not. So I didn't add very much to this last one, just the foilets, and I would like to do some fall projects, so I'm going to use that as my background for that. But I have a bunch of, let's see, this is a bunch of, what do you call this? La La Land Crafts monthly kits. So I have the kit of the month, and so I get the full shebang. So with the full shebang, you get a, usually it's a Marcy. So this one is called Seaside Marcy, and this one's for June. And then you also get a, like a Critters clear stamp set. And this one is called Gulp Gulp. Super, super cute. And then you get some dies. And just depends on how many dies you get. But we've got this die, and then this one, and this one. And so all the dies, of course, can be used for other things. And they show up a lot in, you know, future projects and classes that she does. And it's definitely cheaper to buy it as the kit. So there's that one. And then this one is the September kit. I have no idea where the other ones are. Somewhere. I've just been stacking them up and I have not used them. But just to give you an idea, this is Marcy in bathrobe. And then I have no idea why we got this other stuff in here. Okay, then this is like a towel holder and a towel. And then we have the bathtub. And then this right here, which I think makes a rug or a background, like a tile background, I think. And then the clear stamp set are these cute rub-a-dub duckies called Spectacular. And I have no idea where the rest of my kits are. Oh yeah, here we go. We have another one here. I'm like, I know I have not done any of them. I'm so stinking behind. It's like not even funny. Oh yeah, we have this one right here, which is, this one is Marcy with coffee, and I forget what this is, but why is this falling apart? Anyway, there's this one right here, which is Chinchillin, and the let's see, the Marcy. Maybe I opened this up and I just didn't thought about using it. I don't know. It's this Marcy with coffee, and then we got this big coffee cup, and then we have these like toppers where you can turn it into boba or hot chocolate or something else. So let me go ahead and put all of these away. And so this is like one of those things I have to work on, but it's kind of like, how am I going to find the time when it's like almost time for holiday crafting? And so this might be one of those things that I go crazy with in the new year. But so there's that. To go along the theme of La La Land, I've got a bunch of stuff here that was from their Christmas release. They did a Halloween release. I didn't get anything from that yet. But they have these amazing paper pads. We have the Winter Forest and Christmas Eve. And then I got this, which is whatever these guys are, reindeer? Deer? I don't know. These trees, and then it was the Winnie the Pooh, and her Winnie the Pooh is just adorable. So we have these like holiday Winnie the Pooh, and this, and this, and this. I think I got the whole shebang. These little guys, And then this little guy, dear friend. Okay, so that's amazing. I'm super excited about that. And there's a Christmas Winnie the Pooh class I need to get started on, and I just have not done yet. Next, let's see. I don't know how this is random, but got this all planned out. And I also got this one, which goes really well with the postage combo club, which I have not worked on yet because I was waiting for this stamp set. So I guess I can start working on it. Anyway, there's that. Anyway, let's get into Stamptember. I did not buy tons of Stamptember. So my thoughts. First, I was bummed that the Green Farm didn't do a Stamptember this year. Second, it was very holiday heavy. And so I don't want to get too crazy with the holidays. It was a very floral holiday. I have so much florals. I can't willingly buy more florals. And let's see what else is there. We had to pay for shipping for everything. So every one of these things was like $40 to $50 with shipping. So it was quite pricey. I was very selective on what I picked. I didn't do too much holiday. You know, Halloween. I didn't buy anything Halloween because I just don't do Halloween anymore. I do fall. Maybe Halloween every once in a while, maybe. But generally speaking, I have enough Halloween to last me, and I don't need to buy more unless it's super crazy spectacular. So I just don't, because I just don't. My kids are big now. My son is just turned 19. My daughter's 17, and you know. So let's get into it. So I did buy this one. This one is holiday, but not more winter to me. I mean, it's more winter. And of course I get the die with it. This is a Hero Arts. I really liked it. I think that you could do a lot of things with it. There's a lot of solid things. So there's lots of coloring. So you can make some quick cards. And so I did get this one. And then I did get this one, which is Mama Elephant. And I need to look and see because I think they have snow globes that just came out as well. And I kind of wonder if they're similar. I don't know. And the die. And the die really is just this one die that cuts out all of the snow globes and the sentiments. So this is holiday, but also winter. In my video, so this will be spliced together. Anyway, I did buy the die. I need to look and see because I know they just came out with some holiday snow globes, and I wonder if they're a little different. And this is winter and holiday, so I kind of like that because this one's definitely Christmas, but these are winter, so maybe I'll do something. I don't know. Maybe I'll do something fun for thank you cards. I don't know, but I loved it, so I got it. And then I got this one, which is Reindeer Kisses from Pink and Maine. I absolutely love them. They are so cute. Of course, I got the dies. So cute. I don't have anything quite like this in my stash, so I'm super excited to have this. And it's Christmas, but you could do a winter birthday. You definitely could do winter. You can make it Christmas, but I do like that it's not like Santa. You know what I mean? Okay, same with this one, which is La La Land Crafts. Oh dear. And they kind of go with these guys, right? So this is Dear Friend. So these little guys go together. I got the whole stinking set, and they are very much alike. When I got them, I was like, oh, it's very similar. But you know, it's fine. I do love La La Land Crafts, and I'm always really happy with the products I get from them. So, and then Lawn Fawn, I'll have to open this one because it's not, I can't see what it is. This one's amazing because it is not holiday at all. So yay Lawn Fawn for putting something out, because I've had all their September ones, and they're usually always holiday, even though I need to pull them out because there's some I haven't ever used. But this one is absolutely not. It is a cute little cat birthday. So that one's really fun. And I did get lucky and get the whole shebang because they did sell out. They sold out of the whole shebang, which includes the coloring stencils and the die. and then they just had the die, and then that sold out. So, but I got the die, and then I also got the coloring stencil, which I haven't tried yet. That should be really, really fun. And so, you know, and maybe I'm not totally bummed, but I just feel like Pretty Pink Posh, they have some really super cute stuff, and maybe they don't want to put their super cute stuff in some exclusive thing that can't be purchased elsewhere. And so I don't know, but they just did kind of a simple floral that just kind of didn't float my boat. I would love to see Waffle Flower do something. I would love Greeting Farm to come back. You know, maybe they, you know, I know it's Stamptember, but it's just, I don't know. I guess I should be sad because I didn't spend as much money because I just got what I wanted, and that was fine. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to share. First of all, I bought some things from Popsicle Sticks, I think it is, Davina. And she's on Instagram. She's on a lot of design teams. She totally makes the cutest things, or at least the cutest things for me, because her style is very much cutesy little critters and things I love. So I'm a big fan of hers. I've been following her for a while. So she's got an Etsy shop, and she has done a lot of like Harry Potter stamps and dies, and I love them. I need to pull them out and really start using them, but I've just, like I said, been busy, and I wish I had time. I always say I'm going to retire, but not for 8 years. So then I'll have all this time, but I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, you get a card, and every card I've gotten from her has been just adorable. I love this one. It's the Lawn Fawn, and it's so, so cute. So get a card, and came in an envelope, and then I bought a bunch of stuff, and I'm excited about it because I'm gonna definitely making a Christmas card for this for my boss, who's a big Disney fan. So I'm gonna do this one. Look how cute that is. And so this is the stamp and the die. And then here is a simple happy. She has a Halloween one, but like I said, I'm trying to stay away from Halloween. I'm trying to. It's hard because some Halloween stuff is cute. And this one is like a birthday one. I just love that. And then I did get this one because I saw some of her samples and they were so cute. This one's called Christmas Candy. And it's popsiclesticks.etsy.com. So very cute. Love it. And then this is just a die. So it's a slimline die, but it comes with all these different other little pieces, like little flags and just some other little pieces. And so I did get that die. And this one right here, which is a really big ticket die. And so you're going to make a really big card out of that. But I saw some samples and it was just so, so cute. And so anyway, that is my haul. It's a lot. Obviously, I need more time in my life to do all the things. But thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating with the Heart.